Hello guys, I am from Bhogras Maths Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 matrix and CRT 12 matrices. That question is question number 2, exercise 3.3 equal to if A equal to opening of square bracket the elements of first row -1, 2, 3. The elements of second row 5, 7, 9. The elements of third row -2, 1, 1. And B equal to opening of square brackets. The elements of first row -4, 1, -5. The elements of second row 1, 2, 0. The elements of third row 1, 3, 1, comma. Then verify that Roman 1 in bracket A plus B bracket lower dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Roman 2 in bracket A minus B bracket lower dash equal to A dash minus B dash. This is the question about which I am going to discuss. Here I shall write solution. Roman 1 equal to, here you can see LHS you can see LHS is given LHS equal to in bracket A plus B dash. This is the question. First of all I shall take LHS. Here you can see in bracket it is given A plus B. So first of all I shall find the value of A plus B. So here I shall write A plus B equal to opening of square bracket will be done here. The given matrix A will be written first. So here I shall write the elements of first row -1, 2, 3. The elements of second row I shall write here 5, 7, 9. The elements of third row I shall write here -2, 1, 1. Closing of square bracket will be done here. Plus I shall write here plus. Opening of square bracket I shall done here. And the matrix B I shall write here. Matrix B. The elements of first row I shall write here -4, 1, -5 I shall write. The elements of second row I shall write here 1, 2, 0. The elements of third row I shall write here 1, 3, 1. Now these both matrices will be added together. So here I shall get implied that A plus B is equal to, here you can see this matrix is of order 3 cross 3 and this matrix also is of order 3 cross 3. So when this matrix is of order 3 cross 3 and this matrix is also of order 3 cross 3, then the order of both matrices must be same. The orders of both the matrices must be the same. Then both matrices will be added together. So here this matrix has the order 3 cross 3 and this matrix has also the order 3 cross 3. Hence these both matrices will be added together. Respective element, here you can see first element -1 will be added to -4. Second element here you can see 2 will be added to 1 and 3 will be added to -5. Like this I shall get the operation. So here I shall do the operation. First element. So here I shall write first element. The first element I shall write here -1. The first element of matrix A -1 I have written. Then plus will be done and -4. So here I shall write -4. -4 from this matrix I shall write like this. Respective element will be added together. Then here it will become 2 plus 1 it will become. Here it will become 3 minus 5 it will become. second row, respective element will be added together in second row. So here 5 plus 1 will be added together. 5 plus 1 will be added together. 7 plus 2 will be added together. And 9 plus 0 will be added together. Minus 2 will be added together to plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will be added together. And 1 will be added together to 3. And this 1 will be added together to this 1. You will get this matrix. After that, I shall get the operation here, implies that A plus B equal to, do the operation here. Here you have operation here. Here minus 1, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4 will be added together. Here you will get minus 1, minus 4 will get minus 5. Minus 1, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4 will get here minus 5. Here 2 plus 1 will get it here 3. 2 plus 1 will get it here 3. And 3 minus 5, if you do the operation, here you get minus 2. Here you can see this is 5. 5 will be added together, you will get here 6. And 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Here this one will get here minus 1. This one get here 4. This one get here 2. Do the operation like this. After that, here you have got A plus B equal to this matrix. Now, I shall get the transpose of the matrix A plus B. So A plus B, here I have got the value of matrix A plus B. A plus B, the transpose of A plus B. So here I shall write transpose of A plus B. This is A plus B transpose. So this is called A plus B matrix ka transpose. It will be called. So here it will become. Here you have got the matrix of order 3 cross 3. That is A plus B. So A plus B ka transpose I have written here. So in the transpose matrix of A plus B, first row will become here first column. So this is first row. The elements of first row, here you can see the elements of first row minus 5, 3, minus 2. The elements of first row will become here first column. The first column I shall write here minus 5, 3, minus 2. The first row here, it will become first column, minus 5, 3, minus 2. Second row, here it will become second column, 6, 9, 9, it will become. 6, 9, 9, 9, it will become. And third row will become here, third column, minus 1, 4, 2. Here you have got first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. You have got A plus B ka transpose, you have got this. The LHS, this one you have got. Now what you have to get here? Now here you can see, here you have to get the A dash. So here I shall write A dash. The A dash means transpose of the matrix A. So here you will get. Here you can see this matrix is A. So this matrix ka transpose I shall write here A dash equal to. Here first row will become first column. The first row you can see minus 1, 2, 3. So here minus 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see the first row minus 1, 2, 3. Here it will become first column. Second row 5, 7, 9. Second row will become here second column. So 5, 7, 9 it will become. And here you can see minus 2, 1, 1. Third row, here it will become third column. So minus 2, 1, 1. Here you have got A dash. Again I have to get here B dash. The B dash I shall write here B dash. The B dash I shall write here B dash equal to, here you can see B dash, this is the matrix. So here first row will become here first column. So here I shall write the first row, here it will become first column. -4, 1, -5. -4, 1, -5. So here you can see in the matrix B, first row will become first column, I have written here. And second row will become here second column. 1, 2, 0 it will become. And third row, here it will become third column. 1, 3, 1 it will become. Here you have got transpose of matrix A. Here you have got transpose of matrix B. So here I shall write RHS equal to A dash plus B dash, means transpose of the matrix A plus transpose of the matrix B. So here I shall write RHS equal to transpose matrix of the matrix A. I shall write here this one A dash. A dash I have got here -1, 5, -2, 271 I shall write, and 391 I shall write this one, plus -1, 5, -2, 217, 391, plus B dash I shall write here, B dash. The B dash you have got here -4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 I shall write, and -5, 0, 1 I shall write. So here you have got A dash plus B dash. Both matrices will be added together. So here I shall write RHS equal to, the respective element will be added together. -1, -4 will be added together. So -1, -4 will be added together. 5 plus 1, respective elements, the respective elements of the both matrices will be added together. So 5 plus 1 will be added together. -2 will be added to 1. The respective element of -1, -4, -1, -4 will be added together. The respective element of 5, here 1, both will be added together. The respective element of -2 and 1 will be added together. Again in this matrix, 2 will be added to 1, 7 will be added to 2, 1 will be added to 3. 3 minus 5 I shall write here. 9 plus 0 I shall write here. And here 1 plus 1 I shall write here. RHS is equal to -1 -4. -1 -4 -1 -4 will get operated. Will get here -5. 5 plus 1 will get here 6. -2 plus 1 will get here -1. 2 plus 1 will get here 3. 7 plus 2, 9 will get. 1 plus 3 will get here 4. 3 minus 5 will get -2. 9 plus 0 will get here 9. 1 plus 1 will get here 2. Now compare the RHS with LHS. LHS you will get this one. This is an LHS. So compare this one. Here we have seen, you can see -5 -5 plus 6 plus 6 -1 -1 3 3 9 9 4 4 -2 9 2. So here you have got LHS equal to RHS. This is the complete solution. Here you have got LHS equal to RHS. RHS, first of all, I have taken here LHS. The LHS, from LHS I have got the value. Transpose of A plus B, this value I have got. Thereafter I have taken RHS. RHS, I have written A dash plus B dash. Adding the final result, I have got RHS equal to this one. This one we have got. LHS and RHS both are equal. So this is the complete solution of question number Roman 1 of main question 2 exercise 3.3 chapter 3 matrix and CRT 12 mathematics.